Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix this app is not available on your country or region. So when I'm trying to open my TikTok and open TikTok, click on, then showing you to this message. So if you want to download your TikTok after ban, so check out my latest video in my channel and provide solution. You can easily reinstall TikTok after ban. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily solve this. So press on OK. So you need to just change three settings. At first open settings, scroll down, click on to general, scroll down, showing it to date and time. So you just make sure to turn off this set automatically and select any country without USA and UK. Like I'm select Canada, only disable this. And the second solution, open App Store, click on to profile and click on profile name, and then showing it to country or region. Now I'm living United States, so select change my region without USA and UK. So like I'm select France, or if you want to select any country, Germany, France, Italy, or any country, press on agree, select, and you just fill up this form. Okay, you just enter address same to same, you just copy my address same to same, press on next. Okay, now successfully change region. And the another method, go to search option, search it to VPN, and you just install this VPN. This VPN is totally free and safe, so I'm already installed my VPN. So connect this VPN, so look here, now successfully connect this VPN. So go out and try to any apps like TikTok. So look here, it's downloading. That's mean fix this problem. So I hope you just follow my 3 step, you get 100% solution. So if you have any question, let me know my comment box.